One day we were standing near the pizza and pasta station in the South Campus dining hall, and it was like 5 minutes before closing, and there was a good amount of it left. And so we kind of asked the guy, like, hey, are you going to throw that out? And it turned out they were. So we talked to the head of dining services. She gave us an opportunity to basically recover this food and to donate it.
We found that there was surplus food from basketball games and football games in multiple areas at University of Maryland. What we saw was high quality, nutritious foods that hunger-fighting nonprofits in the area could really use. We had every night of the week a recovery. Students would drive the food immediately after picking up the food on campus and deliver it to people in need.
So preparing for the Do Good Challenge, I remember we rehearsed the thing like literally 100 times. When we got up on stage that night, our nerves definitely were rolling.
Our grand prize winner tonight is, and a big congratulations to the Food Recovery Network.
And I remember this like pit of reporters, and were like asking us a whole bunch of questions, and $5,000 just felt like the world to us back then, and it really did help us a lot. It just gave us this sense of momentum. A bunch of other students joined the program. By the end of the first year, Food Recovery Network had already donated 30,000 meals. One moment that was really special was getting a phone call from the Sodexo Foundation that they wanted to give us $300,000 because it was such a big bet to place to donate that amount of money to students and invest in them.
We were able to expand to now over 200 college campuses across the country that have donated over 10 million pounds of food.
We really did it, and it's still around today.